One kettlebell exercise that can help you compress your irons and rip your driver. In this video, we are taking you through the step to rotational swing. This matches up to the exact mechanics of the golf swing and strengthens your whole system, as well as building increased power and speed for your golf swing. Remember, you can get full kettlebell workouts and more with your free trial on the GOLFWOD app right now. And stick around till the end of the video. We're going to give you a full day of GOLFWOD training, including this exercise, so you can get the best golf workout you've ever had. So what is the step to rotational swing? Here, we're taking one of our members' favorite movements, the rotational swing, where we move the kettlebell around the body, and adding in an additional loading element that builds the kinematic sequence of your swing. So now, when we execute this movement, first of all, grab a kettlebell that is going to allow high power, high speed, and high quality of movement, but give you enough of a challenge to really change your body. Now, we're going to add a step in and really mimic the mechanics of your golf swing. That is that when we work into the backswing, we're always looking to load against the ground and activate the trail, hip, and glute. That gives us that stable position to turn around and change direction. It's exactly the same with the kettlebell. Because if we don't load that trail hip with the kettlebell, if we slide over, it's going to be very difficult to execute this movement at all, never mind optimally. So, immediately we build the stability and power in your swing by taking that step into your golf posture, rotating the weight into that side, loading the hip, loading the glute, and then pushing against the ground to change direction. That's where this movement really does come into its best form and gives you the best gains. So we step, load, and change direction. Immediately you can see, as we load, we go against the trail side, we then rotate to the target, the hips open first, then the chest, and then we really release. These are your golf swing mechanics, and when we train with load, we can massively increase your speed and power potential. So we step and change direction. Take it back, step, and load. So you get that flow, we get the rhythm, and it's that loading against the ground every single time that is so important. It's not only huge for your power and speed, also for your stability and your longevity when we do it well. Just like the golf swing, we have to execute with great form to ensure that we do this well and benefit from it. Because just like the swing, we need to be able to load the glutes, the hips, and maintain a neutral spine so that when we deliver all of those rotational forces, the body can accept and deliver time after time after time. Because when our golf swing gets out of sync, that's when we start to put pressure on the back, that's when we start to put pressure on the body. So executing this kettlebell swing will enhance your ability to do so and build longevity as well as performance. The key things you're looking for with the step to rotational swing to do it well and to get your golf gains. Number one is loading and accepting that force. So when we step back, we've got to make sure there's a slight bend of the knee, the hip rotates and loads the glute, and then we stabilize the spine around that position. It's exactly the same as your golf swing, and using load allows us to do so even better and with greater awareness. Factor number two is to always sequence through the body, okay? So these are the factors that really do stop you from hitting better shots, and that's why we train like this, okay? So we take that step into the swing, we load. If we try and move with the arms only, we're going to be very restricted in our execution, okay? If we do, however, push through the ground, rotate through the hips, and then transfer the energy, we step, rotate, and all the energy then goes to the kettlebell. That's exactly what we're looking for in the golf swing, and we're training it to get even better with this movement. The final factor, always train both sides. We swing in a certain direction, however, we should train the body the same for symmetry, longevity, and movement control. So working the opposing side of your body, your non-dominant swing side, allows you to get those same mechanics, the same durability, and also the anti-rotational benefits that allow you to swing faster, have greater longevity over time, injury-proof the body, and build your golf fitness. So that is the step to rotational swing. High-powered, dynamic, and strengthening your golf swing every single rep. There's a full day of GOLFWOD training up on the screen for you here. You can see how we structure the day to have asymmetrical stability. We have power, rotation, and overall physical fitness. Okay, that is what you're looking for in terms of developing golf fitness that really helps you out on and off the course. This is one of many kettlebell variations we use in our programming day after day. And with our new update, we have the best workouts in golf, taking a huge upgrade with new movements and new designs. So if you've got the kettlebell, let's get on the program, let's get to work. If you don't have the kettlebell, get on the program and get to work. All right, we start with zero equipment all the way through to full strength and conditioning, and that's why they are the best workouts in golf. All right, we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Try this movement, execute in your golf posture, start with a lightweight, build up your mechanics, and develop the golf swing that you have always wanted. All right, so hit subscribe, tell your friends, golf strong.